here from the Crystal Lake Public Library. I am so excited to talk to you today. I have a special story time, but before we start, I want to tell you some exciting news that's going on at the library right now. Our winter reading program is going on right now. Waddle, you read. It's all about penguins. Isn't that great? Can you waddle? If you come into youth services, you'll see a lot of penguins. This is our reading log, so if you keep track of how much you read, and you read 600 minutes or listen to books, if a big person reads to you, if you listen to audiobooks, it all counts. So it's really exciting. But after reading 600 minutes, we're going to give you a brand new book to choose from, and you get to have your very own stuffed animal. This is one of the stuffed animals that you get to choose from. Oh, isn't he cute? Well, my story today is all about a penguin. It's called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and this is by Tig Bentley. So, should we get started? Here we go. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tig Bentley. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, he's eating chili. Do you like chili? I like chili, especially on a chilly day. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. Oh, how did he know we were coming? I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. Do you know how to get rid of hiccups? But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Oh, do you think you could do that? But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Are you ready to say boo? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh! Oh! I wonder if it worked. Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Are you ready to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Ah! Ooh, you ruffled his feathers. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Uh-oh. Arg! Will I have the hiccups forever? Oh, no. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Oh! Whoa. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out at me. So now my feathers are all wet, and my mom's will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second.
My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Uh-oh. Ooh, those look delicious. Hick! Oh, no. Uh-oh. Are you ready to scare her again? And that is the end.
Did you like our story? I hope you did. What'll you read next? I hope you come into the library soon and join our winter reading program. It's going on from January 17th all the way to March 13th. So come on in, sign up, register for the program, and start reading. Bye-bye. See you soon.